now we're going to work some hip flexibility. So first thing I'm going to do is a true hip flexor stretch. So what this does, we're going to do your knee, hip, shoulder, and ear are all in a very straight line, okay? From there, hands are resting on your knee. And all you got to do is kind of roll your hips underneath you, kind of like we learned with that pelvic tilt laying on your back. Pretend you're a puppy dog and you have a tail here. Someone says bad dog and you're tucking your tail underneath you, okay? So you're squeezing your butt. Just that little roll right there, it's a big stretch right there, kind of in your front pocket area. So all we're trying to do is squeeze your butt, tighten your core, maybe lunge very slightly to feel that stretch. Hold it for 2 breaths in and out. And then relax. Hold it for 2 breaths. And relax. Again.